Hi, welcome to the Market Alert for Monday, the 21st of January 2018. So Friday, we see the pound moving lower amid concerns of what May is going to be revealing today with regards to the backstop options, whether she's going to ditch it or not. So the pound obviously has concerns. All the traders have concerns, and you can see once we broke the 200 bar moving average, we've been down and then traded sideways as the overnight market has kicked in. And in the daily chart, you can see the straight reversal. We've gone up on fresh air, we've come down on fresh air too. There's no real selling around, so it'll be interesting to see the market's reaction. No idea if what it's going to do, because it can do the opposite of what you think, purely and simply to wrong foot weak traders. Today is a bank holiday for the US as well, so keep this in mind. And in the Dow on Friday, the market moving lower to begin with. It doesn't go below the 200 bar moving average, so keeping the uptrend in place here in the 5 minute, you can see there. Then prices move higher. We get a double top there, and then we get a retracement. And of course, we know where the retracement's going to come back to. It comes back to the 76%, 24,495. Prices stay above the 50 bar moving average, close above the 20 bar moving average was signaled, and then we see prices moving higher by 150 points there to the upside. Bit of profit taking at the end of the session before prices move higher once again back to where they were earlier on in the evening. And in the daily chart, you can see prices up on Friday, heading towards the 200 bar moving average. I'd like to see it get to this level, fail, and then see if it reverses to the downside, or will it break through and then head back to the all-time high that we have back in November. At the moment, we have a bit of a V-shaped correction going on. The market attempting to move back towards those highs, and as I've said it numerous times in the alerts, they want this market up. It's the only thing they've got to keep the general public optimistic about the economy when the debt is building greatly behind the scenes. And in fact, on Friday there was an article in Bloomberg. Let me just find this for you. So here you can see the headline: global debt of 244 trillion nears record high despite faster growth. Well, you're going to need some serious growth to get rid of this lot. And as it says here, the world's debt pile is hovering near a record of 240 trillion, which is more than 3 times the size of the global economy, according to analysis by the Institute of International Finance. It's a good article, actually. I'm not going to read this to you or go through it, but well worth having a look through. It's staggering, and yet they keep pumping the markets higher, because that way it gives the illusion that everything is fine when it isn't fine by any means. And then finally, Bitcoin, nothing to report here. Move along, just stuck in a sideways range as it has been for some time. And also keep in mind, today is a holiday for the US. I think it's Martin Luther Day today. So the bond markets will be closed. All governments will be closed. Not that some of them already are, but that's another issue with Trump's bargaining over this wall farce. So we'll just have to wait and see. But keep in mind, it shouldn't really make a lot of difference to the market today, as only the government side is shut down, and most of it's been shut down for the last 4 weeks anyway. Okay, that will do it for this one. If there's anything to report, I will let you know. But otherwise, as ever, thanks for watching. See you in the next one.